objective of the discussion is to develop. Whatsoever the information you have, you just want to inculcate the basic information that another has.
My dear friends, we all need to understand that each and every individual should know that the role of NCC is very much more than in our life. No matter where we go in life, it plays a crucial role in nation building and more importantly, character building. It has many programs like blood donation camp, plantation camps, as well as preparing the cadets for being a better citizen. It is very much important to be part of NCC, and we need to understand that it's not about being what we are today, but to be the best version of ourselves, and NCC is something.
Great. Next.
As we all know, NCC is the largest youth organization and also developing the qualities of leadership, comradeship and the spirit of adventure. And it is also known as the second line of defense, who is also going to serve as nation and having the training of military.
Next.
NCC plays a vital role for the nation building as it trains the youth of the nation in the armed forces and as stated by chest number 3, it stands second in the line for the Indian Defence Services. As it plays a vital role in nation building because it trains the youth of the nation in various parameters, that is their character development, their self-development, the mentality development of young generation with the aim of service before self and service for the nation. That's why it is very important and crucial for a country to have NCC as a basic parameter of nation building.